This is the best pizza ever made in our lives. Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally energetic, I'm glad in this video, super happy to show you how to make the best pizza I ever made in my life, in my menu. Take a look at this. It's a little bit complicated to make this, but trust me guys, as soon I made this pizza, everybody is going crazy for this pizza. In this video, we're going to see how to make it from the beginning. Sit down, invest your time, it's free. Smash the like and comment below. Let's start everything from 24 hours ago. And here we go guys, the piece of brisket from United States is here. First thing to do here is prepare the brisket. We are at about 20 hours before the opening. And this is how to make the brisket. So here we go, the brisket it's ready, and then we save a little bit of fat because this is gonna go under the pizza. So come with me and let's go ahead, let's cook this beast, because this one needs to be cooked in a special equipment. Let's go. Here we go, this is my spot here, all my chickens, organic eggs, you know, this is where I keep my stuff. This is where we're going. This is the pizza truck, and this is the beast that we are going to cook, the special meat, the brisket. Texape. Let me show you this beast. This is another project going on, a lot of stuff going on here. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the fat on top. I'm gonna put the sheet pan on the bottom. This way I'm gonna save all the fat that is coming out tomorrow. And let it cook this beast overnight, basically. Okay, so what I did here, I set up the temperature. I set up at 220, then internal I set it up at 160. So 220 smoking, and then 160. So when this beast reaches the 160 internal temperature, we are ready to go ahead and go to do the second step. In the meantime, take a look at this beautiful custom hot rod that I have built myself. I also have a video online on how I built this. It took me 1 year to do it. And go ahead, check it out. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and add some pallets in here. This is one of the best smoker that I have. I have a mix. I have a cherry and I don't remember what's this, but that's a mixed. So I have this Pit Boss competition series, which is I've been cooking here and it looks amazing. So I'm gonna keep this beast cooking, smoking for about, it's overnight. So right now it's 8 o'clock p.m. I'm gonna check it out tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up after the gym. I'm gonna go ahead and work out. So probably 7 a.m. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you with me. So good night, and let's go back to the pizza place and make some pizza. I'll see you later. And good morning guys. Like you can see, it's beautiful, lovely morning. Chickens are there, sleeping there. Actually, they just wake up. So let's go ahead, let's check out the temperature inside. Ooh, this brisket looks insane. Let's check it out, the internal temperature. Ooh, it's 190. We're a little bit late. Now it's time to wrap it up a little bit and keep it for a couple hours. Look how tender it is. Wow. Here we go, guys. The piece of brisket is right here. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of fat in here. This way keep the juice in there. Okay, we go ahead and we wrap it up nice and tight. We want to keep the juice in there. And now we smoke it for about 2 to 3 hours. Internal temperature about 202, 205, and this beast is gonna be ready. There, I want to say maybe it's been, wow, what a smell! It's been in here in the cooler for about 4 hours. Now we're ready to go ahead, wow, to go ahead, put it in a container. Oh, get the fat inside there. Put it in a container like that, and I close it really well. And now we're gonna bring this to the pizza place and present you the best pizza that I ever made in my life. And here we go, guys. We have the brisket done. We got the fat there. So I want to show you before we start to make the pizza. I want to show you the brisket, the main ingredients of this pizza. Actually, you know what? Let's go show the dough. Come with me. Come with me, guys. Come with me. Come with me. Take a look of the dough. 3, 2, 1. Where are you? There we go. This is the dough that we're gonna use today. Nice, 70%. But if you wanna learn how to make the dough, this dough, I have several videos. I'm gonna link it up here somewhere, but also a link in the description about this recipe. Say hi. Let's go cut this brisket. Wow, upside down. Let's go, let's open up. Oh my God! Take a look of the brisket. Wow! I'm gonna go ahead and just for you, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this beast. Wow! Let's go. Let's cut the bottom part first. Or first apart. Wow! You can imagine the smell. And this is the brisket. Ooh, nice and juicy. Please, we have to, you know what I mean? Zoe, come here. I mean, take a look. You ready? Look this brisket. Come here. Look. Oh my God. Please, show the camera. Show. Taste. Guarda là and taste. Oh my God, how is it? Ah, you like it? How is it? Show the camera. How is it? It's good? Guys, I don't know if you can see how it breaks. It's insane. It breaks apart. The smoky char it come out insanely insane. I think I can eat the whole thing, but we're here to make the pizza. Here we go. This is the brisket that we got. Take a look. That's the amount that we need to make this pizza. Maybe it's a little bit too much because it's expensive. So this is the dough, like you can see, nice, fermented, perfect. So this is how you take it out. The most important part of making pizza is taking out the dough from the box. So this is how you do it. Cut the sides, then hold it, put a little bit of flour on the bottom of the spatula, and then you go ahead upside down in the flour. So now we stretch. See, we got some water here. You're gonna make sure that it is always nice and dry. So let's go ahead. We can make the pizza. A little bit of flour. This is how we stretch. Always top on top. So you press the air to the crust, and then you pinch it, then upside down again. Pinch it. This way we get the nice crust that we want. Here we go. Then press, control with your right hand and pull it with your left hand. Now, one hand here, take out the flour and then find the spot that where you want to make, where you want to put the pizza, and then down. Now, don't touch it anymore. So we got some fat from leftover leftover brisket. So we're gonna put this one as a base, just like that. Aspetta, papà. Here we go. So instead of the olive oil, now spread a little bit, gently. You need to have a passion. Just a little bit, Zoe. Here we go. Done. Thank you. Voila. No, wait. The brisket. You want brisket? Here you go. Get some brisket. Now, just fresh mozzarella on top. I'm gonna put it everywhere because we want to have the taste of the brisket, the taste of the main ingredients. So now pay attention, guys. We go ahead and we part-bake it. We're gonna part-bake about 70%, otherwise the brisket is going to overcook and we don't want that. We're gonna screw up the brisket. So those kind of bubbles here, we wanna break it. We wanna go ahead and part-bake the crust for about few minutes, 70%. I mean, guys, take a look of this crust. Voila. Keep the fat inside there. Peels over there. I mean, did you see this? Now, keep the fat there, but it's gonna evaporate. So we go ahead now, we get the brisket that we got, and we just wanna lightly break it. Like that. We wanna have a nice big chunk, and we wanna keep the fat inside the pizza. We charge, honestly, €9 for the pizza plus $4 for the brisket. So at the end, I'm going to add a couple more ingredients. Voila. That's how it looks like. Now we get it and we finish to cook the pizza, and then we're gonna finish up with the ingredients. Voila. Thank you, Zoe. We are cooking the pizza at 400 on the top and 330 on the bottom. Okay, here we go. Boom, guys. Here we go, guys. The pizza, it's ready. Voila, like you can see, we still have a little bit of fat on there. We're gonna finish up the pizza with a little bit of chimichurri. I like to put the chimichurri on top of the crust, not too much. Wait. Voila. And now just a little bit on top of the brisket, just for the little bit to give a little bit of contrast of flavor. Then we crush some pepper just on the crust. Before I cut it, I present to you the best pizza I ever made in my life at now for sale in my pizza place, and also on the private events that we do. I mean, take a look. And now smash a like, comment below if you think that this pizza is a beast. So let's go ahead. Now it's time to go ahead and cut the inside, show you the crust and the tasting part. It's worth it to wait the time to make this pizza, 100%. It's expensive pizza, but trust me, once you make this pizza, nobody will forget ever your pizza for all your life. Come here, we got some guests. Even if I want this pizza, just a slice for you. Vieni, vieni.
Just one?
For you, yes. Because this was for my pizza, but I can make another one, don't worry. You ever tasted the brisket pizza? Hai mai assaggiato la pizza col brisket?
No.
No? It's time.
Never. Mamma mia.
Zoe, you want to taste too? Come here. Guys, this is the best pizza ever made in our lives.
Yeah.
Let's see Zoe what she thinks. Bite on this. Bite on this. So how is it? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No, devi far vedere la telecamera, Zoe. Dai,
Vieni, facciamolo insieme.
vieni,
ora.
vieni, se no non posso fare il video, Zoe, se no non ti posso mettere nel video.
Pollice in su.
Pollice in su o pollice in giù?
Pollice.
Oh.
Oh. And now, you leave a thumbs up and see you at the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Every week, new video. Share and subscribe. See, subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this pizza. See you soon.